Stop rebuilding the same invoice every time. Do you find yourself creating the same invoice over and over again? What if you could copy an existing invoice in seconds and simply make a few adjustments? Invoice cloning is a great time-saving feature for firms that regularly use fixed-fee billing. Instead of recreating invoices from scratch, you can reuse existing invoices and focus on getting bills out faster. Before you can use this feature, you'll need to make sure invoice cloning is enabled. In the appliance settings, go to Finance, then tick Allow Clone Invoice button and save your changes. Navigate to an existing invoice you'd like to copy. At the top of the invoice, click the light blue Clone Invoice button. Before the invoice is cloned, Wise Owl will ask whether you'd like to keep the original client and matter details. By default, both fields are cleared, allowing you to reuse the invoice template for a different client or matter. Select the options that suit your needs and click Clone Invoice. Update the invoice details as needed before saving. Remember, if you close the invoice without saving, the cloned copy will be deleted and you'll need to start again. Invoice cloning is designed for fixed fee and recovery entries. While invoices containing time entries or disbursements can be cloned, this is not recommended as those entries won't appear correctly in their respective registers or reports. If needed, disbursements can be added to the cloned invoice afterwards using the standard invoicing process. If you see a warning when cloning an invoice, it's usually because the invoice contains disbursement or time-based items. Review the invoice carefully before proceeding. That's it for cloning invoices in Wise Owl. If your firm regularly creates similar fixed-fee invoices, this feature can help reduce repetitive work and speed up your billing process. Stay tuned for more Wise Owl quick tips, and keep exploring Wise Owl Legal to discover smarter ways to streamline your everyday workflow.